Property Owner Files, Season 7, Episode 2. When everything gets quieter, is being a landlord really worth it? There's a moment in ownership that isn't talked about often. Nothing dramatic happens. No big win. No major loss. Just quiet. Today's file is about that moment, when everything starts to feel different. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. When everything gets quieter, at some point, the urgency fades. Not because opportunities disappear, not because problems stop, but because something inside you changes. The need to move fast softens. The pressure to grow eases. The constant noise fades. And in that quiet, something else appears. Clarity. Today's file is about that shift. Because if you don't recognize it, you might mistake it for something else. Complacency. Loss of ambition. But it's neither. Stay until the end, because this moment is where ownership becomes something entirely different. And if these conversations help you think more clearly about ownership and life, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. The disappearance of urgency. Early in ownership, everything feels urgent. Deals move fast. Decisions feel time-sensitive. Opportunities seem rare. You're constantly evaluating, should I buy this? Should I refinance? Should I expand? But over time, that urgency starts to dissolve. You realize something simple: there will always be another deal. And with that realization, pressure fades. Still watching? This is where decision-making changes. Part 2. Decisions become simpler. When urgency disappears, complexity follows. You stop overanalyzing marginal opportunities. You stop forcing decisions. You begin to ask simpler questions. Does this fit my life? Does this increase stability? Does this create unnecessary friction? And if the answer isn't clear, you pass. Not because you missed something, because you didn't need it. Still watching? This next shift is more subtle. Part 3. Silence stops feeling uncomfortable. There's a stage in ownership where silence feels wrong. No new deals, no constant activity, no visible growth. It can feel like stagnation. But eventually, silence becomes normal, even valuable, because silence isn't absence. It's stability. No emergencies, no forced decisions, no constant pressure, just systems working quietly. Still watching? This is where identity changes. Part 4. You stop needing to prove anything. Earlier in ownership, there's often a need to validate progress. More properties, better deals, visible growth. But when everything gets quieter, that need fades. You stop comparing. You stop explaining. You stop proving. Because clarity replaces validation. And once that happens, decisions become private and better. Still watching? This leads to the final realization. Part 5. The real shift. When everything gets quieter, you realize something important. Nothing is missing. You're not behind. You're not slowing down incorrectly. You've just moved into a different phase. A phase where less is intentional, silence is stable, and clarity replaces urgency. This isn't the end of ownership. It's the refinement of it. Not every phase of ownership is loud. Some of the most important ones are quiet. In the next file, we explore how decisions change once urgency disappears completely. This is Property Owner Files.